And she does not want me to pick her up. Right, Miss Ruby? Ruby almost did 3 miles. I pick her up. It's her first longest walk since her throat collapsed a few months ago. And Mother fixed it. And Ruby fixed it, right? That's the workout. Look, no hard breathing. And she has a pseudo pregnancy with 8 babies this time. Fake babies. Thank God they're fake. We like fake stuff, right? Sometimes it's good. You can learn from things that are fake. Right? Just some extra hormones, right, girl? Just dance down the street. And just take little breaks when it gets challenging. Don't say, oh, it's hard. Challenging. You know, when you dance, your body parts move around. So if you have injuries everywhere, like I do, or did kind of do, doesn't matter. Nobody's fucking business. Right, Ruby? New York City, yes.